Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're gonna learn to draw a mushroom. So for this we will need a paper, a pencil, a sketch pen, and now let's get started. So here I am drawing a stem of the mushroom, and like a semicircle we will draw top of the mushroom. Now we will make small circles inside the top. Make it really simple. Now the second mushroom. On the top of it. It does not have to be complete oval or semicircle. And let's start with this small baby mushroom. It's a cute mushroom. Make small circles just like the previous one. And now we will add grass. Just simple strokes. Random strokes. It does not have to be specific. Make it very normal. Now we will color the mushroom. So first we will use a red color to cover the top of the mushroom. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video, and also join our Telegram group given in the description box below. Thanks for watching.